Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Firstly, we will discuss defining variables in Python. Later we will show you some basic data types, integer, float, and string, and how to deal with them. Let's start. If you want to define a variable, you need to write its name, then equation mark, and finally its value. When it comes to naming our variable, there are some rules. A variable's name mustn't start with a number or an upper letter. Let's try. A name will be one variable. We will get a syntax error. On the other hand, you can put a number inside or at the end of the name. Variable 1 will be correct. Also, you can't use any other characters in the variable's name except letters, numbers, and underscore. Spaces in the names of other commands in Python aren't allowed too. The list of words that can't be used as a variable's name can be found on Python's official website. Multi-word names can be presented with camel notation or with an underscore between words. Here is an example of camel notation, where every word starts with an upper letter. This is the second option. Python is a case-sensitive language, so it won't be the same if you write something with a lower or upper letter. This will be a new variable. You print a variable simply by using the print command and its name. The first and the second variable won't be equal. How you will write a value depends on its data type. As we said, here we have some basic data types: integer, float, and string. But what are they? When we have a letter, word, sentence, or even a whole text, it is called a string in Python. We always write it with single or double quotation marks. For example, let's define a variable named greeting. We will write greeting, then an equation mark, and inside quotation marks, we will put hello. We can even check it with a print function. Type print, parentheses, type, and the name of our variable. We will run the program and get string as an output. We will print the value of our variable. Here it is. A number can also be a string if it is written between quotation marks. Okay, so we've finished with a string type. Let's move on to numbers. There are integer and float numbers. The abbreviation of integer numbers is just int. So why not check their types? Another cool thing is that you can make a float number out of integer and vice versa with float and int commands, but if you want to say it correctly, you can't do that this way. It will be discussed later. We will give it 1 decimal this way. That was it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.